Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making starch. You know that Urobo starch now, that Delta State starch, yeah. So here I got my starch. Then you put it into your non-stick pan or your non-stick pot, going with a little water and dissolve the starch in it. So you're just going to check the water. If it's thick, you add in a little water. If it's watery, you add in a little starch. So I'm dissolving it here. I'm done dissolving it. So now I'm trying to check if it is too thick at the bottom, and also checking it with my palm. So I'm checking if it is transparent, and also checking the bottom if it's thick. So after that, I went in with my red oil, mixed that together. Then I'll take it to my stove. Please, once you get to the stove, please don't remove your hand. Just keep stirring and watch how I'm doing it. You go anti-clockwise, then clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, then the center, clockwise, anti-clockwise, then the center. You just keep doing it like that. Here you can see that my starch is coming together. It's getting thick. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please just click on the subscribe button there. Thank you so much. And if this is the first time of you coming across my video, thank you so much for watching. And please like so that others can get to see my videos as well. Here our starch is ready. So I'm just giving it some finish touch here. So now I have to just put it into a ladle and let it sit while I get my oat soup. Thanks for watching. Bye.